Okay, so now we're gonna pull the transmission mount. So we got to take out these two studs, the actual mount itself. There's some bolts. There's 4 bolts that hold it on, 2 bolts here that are already loose. Oh yeah, I forgot I'd loosen those. And then there's 2 bolts for this cross member here. So we're gonna go ahead and get these loose and get that going. Okay, let this drop down, kind of slide it out this way. These should be 14s. Yeah, there we go. All right. Like I can move that with my hand. Okay, so old mount, new mount. If I remember correctly, the Cusco is supposed to go towards the driver's side of the car. Now I have to take the mount apart. Got to pull the bolts out because the mounting plate. This won't go on because this nut will interfere with this hole. So we got to take this off. This will get mounted first, then that'll go on afterwards. Once we get this cleaned up, I got new pads for these, for this cross member, and then we'll get those installed. Alrighty, so what we got now, we have the Whiteline positive shifter kit. It's the instructions. Okay, so there are 3 spacers that are the same size, 1 that is double thick. Okay. Installation guide. So we got this. I'm gonna take the OEM tubes out. Okay. So I need they actually have part numbers on here, so we need the 605-97A. Don't know if you can read that. I need grease. Just a thin layer, like thin layer of grease on these, like that. Put a thin layer of grease on this here. Now go that way. Let me get the nuts for this. Okay. So this is on there, it's just loose. Oh, and if you want to see the difference, I mean,
what the fuck is this piece of shit?
These things are flimsy. You take this one, like, yeah, like you can barely bend it. Here's this plate. Okay, so peel that off. You can grease this. And this is gonna go like that. Now here's the other mount. Goes underneath this cross plate we took off the other day. Goes down here like that. Let's go ahead and get the tubes installed into this one. Transmission mount in, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Now we get the transmission mounting bolts back in. Now these bolts need to be torqued to 26 foot-pounds. All right. Okay, so when you go to install this, the brace, Cusco stamp, and the cutout are supposed to go towards the driver's side. Ooh, that's too much. $40-ish. I think we're doing like 40. Alrighty, so we got the cross member now. Alright. Then I want to grease this up first. It just doesn't feel right.
This is the worst.
Hold on, I'm gonna go check those torque specs again. Yeah, it's 51.6.
Emotional damage. You want some therapy? I will send you to Jesus. Okay.
Alright. I gotta take this all back off. Shit. I'll see you later. In the process of installing the new positive shift kit in my car, somehow I stripped a bolt and bent it. It's bad. Like, I'm gonna have to go to the dealership and order this thing. Okay. So, if you want to see it, don't know how well you can tell, but one side is stripped, the other side, and both of them are bent. I do not know how they got bent. I was in the process of tightening them up, and in doing so, it felt like it was getting tighter, and then all of a sudden it started getting loose, and I was like, oh no, it just pulled threads. So now I got to go to the dealership. I got to order that part with nuts, and hopefully we can hopefully we can get back to fixing the car. My other part that I ordered that was stupidly expensive should be coming in pretty soon, so we'll just have to go with that for the time being. This is just an update. I'll let you, we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so here's our little mistake. Don't know how you can see that, but there's the strip pulled threads and it's bent. Our new $15 part. If you ever need to replace this, that's the part number. See? Not stripped. And then I went ahead, bought new nuts and some new spacers. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but you can see where the spacers are messed up. This is the spacer number here. Okay. Just get a little grease on this. The nut part number. For this cross member and these two cross member, for these 4 cross member bolts, it's 52. Okay, that's a 45. It fucking did it again. Yep, fucking did it again. Okay, so this bolt is on the verge of pulling.
I just want to talk to him.
Why do you have a shotgun?
I just want to talk to him.
Dad, this is ridiculous.
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I just want to shoot him. I just want to talk.
You can't shoot him.
It looks a little stretched. This one here is stripped. It pulled a thread on this. The freaking, I don't know how bad the threads are in here. I'm gonna have to run a tap. I don't know what to do. Now I gotta go order parts again. Okay, so I got the parts in finally. Got my bolts in that I've been waiting for. So we're gonna try to get these somewhat loosely put together for this. These are the new spacers for the front cross member for up here. Here's our plate. I started looking at the center crossmember and the transmission mount and noticed that they were touching and causing a little twist in the crossmember. There are spacers that come with the transmission mount that go between the crossmember and the mount itself. I did not get video of me adding the spacers in, but they are added enough clearance that the mount stopped hitting the crossmember.